Hey everybody, John Walls, Solution Engineer here at Propeller. Today I'm going to be covering how to download the Propeller Mobile app, a useful tool to do analytics while you're out in the field. Let's take a dive in.
It's available for Apple or Android systems. Today we're looking at an Android Samsung phone. So log into your App Store, whether that's the Play Store or the App Store. You're going to search for Propeller Arrow. You're going to look for the Propeller Mobile app. You may see arrow points, which is that fourth one down. What we're looking for is Propeller Mobile. So you click on that and install it. Once it's installed, you're going to go into your Propeller Mobile app. You make sure that you have an account already. So once you install that application, it's going to ask you to log in. So you'll need to use your single sign-on if you're using Trimble, Google, Microsoft, or whatever email and password that you're using. So I'm just going to log in with my Google account. Once you've logged in, it will default to your basic Propeller portal access that you have. So it'll be available to you for whatever portal you have access to. So we're looking at Propeller 1. The next thing you want to do is select your site. So that's down below under the site option where you can select any of your sites that are available with your specific project. The next option down is the specific survey. It defaults to your most recent survey, but you can select on that and you can go back and look at any other previous surveys. Let's jump back to this one here. And then once you've selected your portal, your site, and then that specific survey, you can click View Map. Once it loads, you're going to default to that 2D view. You can switch from 2D to 3D using that button on the right side. Zooming in, just pinch out or pinch in to zoom in and out. You can also twist and rotate that data and see that visual in whatever orientation you want to see that. Also at the top right, you can just click that north arrow and we'll reset that. You can click the home button, which will take you right back to the full extent of that. And if you're on the project site itself, you can click on the Locate Me button, which is the button right below the home option. Just one last thing we'll jump into is if you're navigating between multiple portals or multiple sites, you click on this drop down up here, it will take you back to that home page that you can then jump between different portals. Down below of the screen is our toolbar. So on the left side is the map tool, which will reset back to this view. The toolbox, which we have point, line, polygon, and then photos, and then the layers tab, which where we can view different designs that are associated with that project. With the different design options, you can view those right on top of your survey. So whether that's your planimetric data, so your lot lines, center line data, any sort of edge of curb, you can view all that here on the platform.
If you want to learn more, click the link in the description below to speak to our sales team if you have any further questions about demoing the platform. Thanks for watching.